Hey guys, so I work from home and I almost never get to go out. It is now fall and I plan to get out and do some like apple picking and things with my son, and so I need for my hair to be cute and also to be protected. And to accomplish both, I will be using Yugo Naturals satin line head wraps. These are so cute. This is their ribbed open turban and it's so easy to put on. When you have a puff like mine right now, you could use it, or you could actually wear your hair in a top knot bun. For the purpose of this demonstration, it's a puff. So I'm going to pull it up to here. Crisscross. Flip it. And my head is a little bit small, so I'm going to flip it and twist it again. Make the adjustments. I love that this is just a different look from what I'm used to, because I'm pretty new to the head wrap game, and so one of the things that kept me away from wearing head wraps is I didn't know how to wrap. Like, I was like, this is too complicated for me. Like, I don't know how to make it look all nice and stuff. But look at this, it looks like I did a good job, and really I didn't do much at all. So anyway, I'm gonna leave a link down below to where you can find this head wrap. It comes in some awesome fall colors, and I will catch you in the next video.